Hi, Wilfredo. How's it going?
Hello, Juan. I'm doing just fine. How are you?
Great. I was wondering, what do you think about the use of technology in the class?
Well, I like it. We are using tablets in class now. Why are we using tablets?
We're using tablets to help students learn and to make teaching more interesting. By the way, what were you doing with your tablet last class?
I was watching a video you assigned. What was the video about? I don't remember.
It was about the solar system. Did you like the video?
Oh, yes, I remember now. It was interesting.
What were you doing before we had tablets, Wilfredo?
I was reading book and teaching chess on a chessboard. How is your teaching changing with technology?
Well, now I am using more digital media and tools, relying less on printed materials. How did you feel when you first used the tablet?
It was excellent. I was playing educational games like chess and trivia. How is technology helping you learn?
It's going to give us many resources. For example, videos and a variety of multimedia, and to make learning more interesting. What were you looking up in the internet last week?
I was finding information for my chess class. Why is technology important?
Well, technology prepares you for the future. We need to know how to use technology in our favor. And were you studying in the computer lab this morning?
I was learning to code to teach chess. Do you like using technology in class?
Oh yes, it makes learning better and more interesting. What were you doing using technology for?
I was teaching the rules of chess to my students. Why were you using online quiz?
I was using them to check my students' understanding. It's faster and more dynamic. But sometimes there are problems, especially when the power fails. What were you doing on the internet this morning when the internet went down?
I was trying to send my homework to my university professor. What do you do when there are test problems in class?
I find other ways to teach, like using the whiteboard and books. What were you doing when you first started using a computer?
I was playing chess with the computer, and it is good. Why is technology good for group work?
Well, I think it helps people to work together. How were you collaborating with your classmates in the last trimester?
We were editing our projects remotely. How will technology change education in the future?
Well, it will keep getting better for learning. Sometimes you need a person to guide you. Who was helping you with technology at home?
My brother was helping me. He is very good with computer.
Well, Wilfredo, I see that you're using computers during your lesson projects. That's very important. I think it's good for the future.
Excellent, Juan. I am working on that. See you later.
Bye-bye. See you later.